Diabetes Freedom Review. What's diabetes freedom? It's not a pill, supplement, or tablet but a guide to freedom from diabetes. With this guide, you have an opportunity to fight diabetes type 2 and eliminate it in a matter of a few weeks. Therefore, you have a great solution that is medication-free, free of doctor appointments, and free from the pain of injection or particular treatment programs. In other words, it's a simple pain-free solution to diabetes type 2. This guide is accessible to anyone who needs it through an online platform. You can read it or perhaps watch it through your smartphone, PC, or tablet. For those who are terrified of bulky and complex terms, this guide is nowhere that. It's a simple 3-step guide to freedom from diabetes. Therefore, get your copy today and have a chance to restore your good old days when you were diabetes-free and get to enjoy what life has to offer. Diabetes Freedom Efficacy. Diabetes type 2 arises from lipid molecules generated by our bodies. These molecules enhance the flow of toxic fat cells in the blood. Eventually, the toxic fat cells end up accumulating around vital organs such as the liver, pancreas, and heart. Ultimately, they cause blockage and suffocation of these organs while stiffening arteries. When your pancreas is clogged with these fat cells, insulin production is hampered. While considering insulin is essential in blood sugar regulation, its absence spikes up the glucose level in the blood, leading to diabetes type 2. And this is where diabetes freedom comes in handy. It provides you with a simple and effective strategy to eliminate these toxic fat cells. Through this you get to restore the normal performance of your pancreas among other vital organs that were affected also. And eventually, your blood sugar level is restored to its normal level, reversing diabetes type 2. Diabetes Freedom 3-Step Solution. 1. Nutrition plan to restart your pancreas. The first step is access to a nutrition plan that you will temporarily follow to target and eliminate harmful white fat cells. The white fat cells are known to form around body organs, clogging them and interfering with their normal performance. Thus, with this diet plan, your malfunctioning organ vitality will be restored and within a few weeks begin to work again. This means you have begun the process of eliminating diabetes type 2. In this case, the diet will supply your body with essential nutrients to boost your body levels of brown fat and consequently burning of the harmful white fat reserves for energy. As an outcome, you will experience the natural surge of body energy and body lightness as you get better. And that's not all. You will get a video program with 5 tips program to beat your blood sugar. These tips will include tips to beat your cravings and maintain the right diet plan to diabetes freedom. Detoxification tips and ways to boost your body energy, digestion, memory enhancement, and lighten your skin tone. 5 detoxification teas to beat cravings, lower blood sugar, and melt away harmful fat reserves. 7 shortcuts to lose body fat that you've never had of before. Tasty dessert options without any cause of alarm over your blood glucose levels. 1. Blueprint to boost your metabolism. The quickest means to get rid of harmful white fat reserves is through metabolism. In this case, you need regular routines that will enhance your metabolism and promote the burning of white fat cells from your body. Furthermore, these routines are manageable from home. In addition to the routines, you will also get 3 drinks that are effective in lowering your blood glucose levels. Therefore, this step will not only lower your blood glucose levels, but it also allows you to have cheat days for indulging yourself a bit. Reverse your diabetes with meal timing strategies. You will be provided with video guides that will guide you on the correct meal timing as a technique to reverse your diabetes. These video guides cover precise eating schedules that will maintain the stability of your blood sugar at normal levels. And they include 1-minute breakfast trick to beat your cravings, stay full, and boost your energy simultaneously. Tasty snack options to curb your hunger between meals while maintaining your blood sugar level stable. Positive side effects such as energy enhancement, deep sleep, and elimination of thighs, buns, back, and belly fats. Ever thought of the right moment to dine on your desserts or perhaps your favorite carbs? Get all that in this guide. Lastly, there are free program bonuses in this guide for members. Thanks to the Diabetes Freedom Solution, you only need a couple of weeks to restore the youthful you and say goodbye to fear, frustration, medication, treatment programs, and pain. With this manual, you have an opportunity to restore the good old times and enjoy life with no stress. Pros: it's medication-free, restores youthfulness, Effective in eliminating diabetes. The quick loss of excessive fat. Not related to supplements. Saves you thousands of dollars annually that you would have spent on medication. Natural restoration of your spiked blood sugar level to the normal healthy level. The method is simple, painless and stress-free. Promotes full-body uniform weight loss. Chemical-free and relies on natural compounds from plants. Say goodbye to costly doctor appointments. Live to tell a tale with diabetes freedom, simple and natural solutions. Scientific-based and risk-free diet program. Cons. It's important to reconfirm the terms, especially if you are prone to allergies. You can only get an online copy and not an actual book. For best results, you have to take your time researching and understanding every bit of step given. What is the inspiration behind Diabetes Freedom Manual? George Riley is the manual author, as well as a former type 2 diabetes patient. While diabetic, his condition gradually got worse despite following all the advice and medications prescribed by his doctor. At some point, the situation got worse to the extent that one of his legs was almost amputated. At that moment, he thought about living a life without one of his legs. It was going to mess up his plans to leave alone his current family life. Worst of all, this was going to affect him psychologically. It's at this moment that he opted for an alternative solution to his condition. It is during his quest for solutions to his condition that he met with Professor Freeman. At that moment he didn't know, but this was a turning point of his life. The meeting with the professor landed him on a specific program that he followed through precisely until he was recovered miraculously. Out of recovering from a point in his life that seemed impossible, is the inspiration behind the writing of this manual. George Riley, though of other patients who were in his state, but helplessly, and therefore opted to share his recovery and remedies behind as means of giving them a chance to survive and leave to testify to others. Therefore, don't lie there at home or hospital thinking all hope is lost for being diabetic. Take a chance of recovery and diabetic-free life with Diabetes Freedom Manual. Benefits of using Diabetes Freedom. By opting to SE Diabetes Freedom, you stand to gain a lot and lose nothing. Let's take a look at some of the benefits of using this product. Enhances the ability of the liver to burn excess fats from the body. Opening clogged blood vessels as well as vital organs like liver and heart, among others. Restores the normal performance of pancreas of secreting insulin needed in blood sugar regulation. Flush off toxic lipids from the body. Tackles the root cause of the disease rather than dealing with the symptoms to reverse it. With this manual, you will achieve a healthy lifestyle, free of diseases, fear, pain, and frustrations. It takes a few weeks to notice a positive result. Simple 3-step techniques that is quite easy to understand and follow through by anyone. FAQs about diabetes freedom. Is the diabetes freedom complex to follow? This program involves simple steps that you can easily follow through. However, it's not a cakewalk. You need to follow precisely the guidelines provided for it to be effective. Therefore, reluctance in following provided measures will make this program not to work for you. Does this program have a scientific backing? This program was formulated by Dr. James Freeman out of the Diabetes Research Breakthrough. Everything in this program is supported by the research studies at Utah University, Texas, among other universities that contributed. Does this program work? It's okay to be the doubting Thomas or skeptical considering the junk of products on the internet that promises great results and delivers nothing. But with this manual, the result is a guarantee for those who can follow specific guidelines to the latter. Furthermore, George Riley, who is also one of the authors of this manual, is a living testimony of the wonders this program can deliver if you are suffering from diabetes type 2. Conclusion. From the above review, I am sure you can tell that this is the treatment that is effective in ensuring you reverse this disease. It's a perfect gift for anyone who wants to eliminate diabetes type 2 for good. Considering it works from the root cause of the problem, you have an opportunity to recover and live to tell a tale. Therefore, it's about time you leave behind the heavy and expensive medication and cling to a healthy means of recovery. By following the provided guidelines on how to recover well, you give yourself a chance to explore the new life that is free of diabetes. At any given point, I am sure you have heard from critics who support medications over natural remedies that this guide provides. However, don't leave on words alone. Get yourself a copy of this manual, and be among those testifies about the extraordinary healing power of this product. Lastly, you stand to gain additional benefits from this product as compared to other treatment alternatives. Apart from reversing type 2 diabetes, you stand to gain from the loss of excess fat from the body without workouts as well as boosted body energy levels among other additional benefits.